everyone, and welcome to another Masterclass. Fall is coming. Is it the right time for surgery? My name is Nikki. I'm Dr. Hill's surgical coordinator here at Fulcrum Aesthetics and Surgery, and I have the privilege of guiding our patients through every step of their surgical journey, from your initial consultation, through your surgery and your recovery. One of the most common questions that we hear from patients is, when is the best time to have surgery? And the truth is, there isn't one perfect season, but there's definitely reasons why so many people choose the fall months. Today, we're going to walk through what that planning looks like and what to expect from your consultation through your recovery, and hopefully help you decide if the timing feels right for you. All right. Why fall is a popular time for surgery? Well, fall tends to be one of our busiest seasons, and it's not by coincidence. Many patients intentionally plan their surgery during these months because the cooler weather can help make your recovery a little more comfortable, especially if you're wearing, any compression garments. Less sun exposure is always beneficial when healing as well. And for many people, it just allows enough time to recover before you start getting into those holiday gatherings, vacations, big family photos, and any of the end of the year celebrations that you might have planned. It's really less about fall being the best time and more about it fitting naturally into many people's schedules. Surgery is more than one day. I think that one of the biggest misconceptions is, when you think about, here's this procedure you want to have, you just think of that one day and that your surgery begins on the day of your procedure. When in reality, your surgery, it's a whole journey. It starts well before your procedure with your consultation with Dr. Hill, where he takes the time to understand your goals and create a personalized treatment plan for you. From there, we'll prepare you through your preoperative appointments, your surgery, and continue to support you throughout your recovery. Every step is designed to help you feel informed and confident moving forward. What to expect during your consultation. It's one of my favorite parts of a patient's journey is because your consultation is meant to be educational, not overwhelming. You're going to spend time with Dr. Hill discussing your goals, reviewing his recommendations, and asking any questions that you have prepared. Before you leave, you're going to meet with me. We'll go over your personalized quote, your scheduling options, and what the next steps look like if you do decide to move forward. And it's completely okay if you don't have the answer that day. Some patients schedule right away, while others take time to think about it, and both are perfectly okay. Our goal is just simply to make sure you have the information that you need, just to make the decision that's best and right for you. Planning around one's life. One of the things that we help patients with is finding a surgery date that works within your life and not just your calendar. We'll walk through any work commitments that you have, if you have any planned vacations coming up, family events, making sure that you have someone available as your driver to help surgery. One of the things that patients don't always think about is having your home prepared those first few days. And just simple things like having comfortable clothing, meals prepared if you have a bigger procedure, medications, make sure you have them all picked up, and everyday essentials that are just easy reach, and they just make your recovery feel that much smoother and less stressful. Recovery expectations. Every patient heals differently, and every procedure comes with its own recovery timeline. So expectations are different. They're very dependent, and some patients are eager to get back to their normal routine, and it's important just to give your body the time to heal. You're going to have swelling, bruising, and an overall just gradual improvement. It's all part of the process. And we're going to provide detailed instructions, be here for you, and help you guide you along the way. One thing I like to remind patients is just don't compare your recovery to someone else's. Your body is healing in its own way, and that's exactly what it's supposed to do. Procedures commonly scheduled this time of year. While doctor will perform surgery throughout the year, these are some of the more common procedures that we see just for planning in the fall months. Facial surgery, you think it's cooler, you can put that scarf on, have that little hat coverage, a little more coverage. Any kind of body surgeries, because think you're going to have garments that you're going to wear. So fall is great for layering, big sweaters, sweatshirts. Um, many patients just appreciate having a little extra time to recover during the fall, which so you have a little more time off. But just each plan is individual, and during our consultation, we'll discuss all of that and go over your goals and see if they align with your timeline. Frequently asked questions. These are questions I probably hear every day. The answer to each one is dependent on your procedure that you're considering, your overall lifestyle. That's why the consultation is so valuable. They allow us to build a personalized treatment that fits your schedule and help set realistic expectations from the very beginning. Is this the right time for you? Well, choosing surgery is a personal decision, and the best time for surgery isn't always when your calendar is completely empty. It's when you have the time, you have the support, and ability to recover comfortably, whether it's fall. Our role here at Fulcrum is just to help to make you feel like you're making an informed decision and a decision that feels right for you. Our goal isn't just to help schedule that surgery, it's to help you feel informed, prepared, and confident every step of the way. Well, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this gave you a better understanding of why so many patients do choose the fall months for surgery, and more importantly, how to thoughtfully plan for your experience. Um, for joining. Enjoy a complimentary surgical consultation with Dr. Hill and receive a free Fulcrum Tote Solar Edit SPF if you book the surgery, and that's valid through September 4th. Just include the fall surgery masterclass in your booking notes. I'll open it up to any questions if you have some. There we are. Okay. Well, hopefully this has been very informative for you. Again, just reach out, give me a call on the phone here at Fulcrum. I'm happy to go over any other questions that you have and get that consultation scheduled with Dr. Hill. Thank you for joining me for another masterclass. It's been a pleasure. I do want to make note. Tune in next week. Gorgeous Carolina will be here for the next Fulcrum Education Masterclass series and your fall skin reset. Thank you so much. Have a great day.